What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you ROKID Max AR glasses review. Watch before buying. Also, if you guys would like to buy these, I will leave an Amazon link with a discount applied in the description of this video. But I would suggest you watch the video first to see which one is better for you. So, you might be wondering if the ROKID Max AR glass here is worth it for you. So let's go ahead and first discuss the features, or in this case, the use cases here. So in this case, picture this: you're laying in bed on a plane or just chilling on the couch here. Instead of holding your phone up or staring at a small laptop screen, you throw on a pair of glasses and it feels like you've got a giant 200-inch screen just floating in front of your eyes. That's basically what the ROKID Max AR glasses are all about. They're not like full-on VR headsets where you're locked into a virtual world. Well, in this case, these are more like wearable displays. Super lightweight, really comfy, and they feel like sunglasses. And when you plug them into your phone, laptop, or even your Nintendo Switch, they work, or they just work. No complicated setup. And also, the display itself is super sharp. We're talking about like around 1080p micro OLED with great colors, good brightness, and a refresh rate that's smooth enough for gaming and movies. Honestly, it feels like having your own private cinema, especially when you're traveling or just want some alone time with Netflix or YouTube. So, sound-wise here, it's got a built-in speaker that sits right in the arms of your glasses. They're surprisingly clear here, but if you want to zone out completely or need privacy, just connect your earbuds. In this case, it just works. Now, in this case, what you really love about these glasses are, in this case, the plug-and-play options. Android phones uses phones with USB-C, laptops, tablets, gaming consoles, even an iPhone. If you've got the right adapter here, all you do is connect them and boom, it just works. Now, no charging needed either, since the power comes from your device. And now they don't run apps themselves. There's no built-in software in it, so think of them like a portable monitor for your eyes. And yeah, they don't do great in full sunlight here, but indoors or on a flight, it's going to be really awesome. So, in this case, ROKID Max is perfect if you're someone who travels, loves gaming, and watches tons of videos, or just wants a discreet, high-quality screen that you can use anywhere, and just one of the tech gadgets that quietly becomes your favorite thing once you've tried it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.